Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever installed liquid glass on your iPhone and realized it's not exactly what you wanted? Maybe it's affecting your screen sensitivity, causing unresponsive touches, or you simply want your iPhone back to its original state. Today, I'll show you exactly how to completely turn off liquid glass and restore your device to its default screen behavior. First, let's clarify what liquid glass is. Liquid glass is essentially a nano coating applied to your iPhone's screen to make it more resistant to scratches and improve smoothness. While it sounds great, sometimes it interferes with touch responsiveness or the overall feel of your phone. Fortunately, disabling it is easier than you might think. Step 1 is to check if liquid glass is applied through an app or a physical screen treatment. If it's an app controlling settings or effects, simply open the app, go to its settings, and look for an option to deactivate or remove the liquid glass effect. Make sure to restart your iPhone after turning it off to ensure all changes take effect. If you've applied a physical liquid glass coating to your screen, you'll need to remove it manually. Start by cleaning your hands thoroughly, then use a microfiber cloth slightly dampened with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol. Gently rub the screen in circular motions to remove the nano coating. Avoid using excessive liquid or harsh chemicals as they could damage your screen. Once the coating is gone, wipe the screen with a dry cloth and restart your iPhone. Finally, it's a good idea to test your screen's responsiveness by opening apps, scrolling, and typing to ensure everything feels back to normal. With these steps, your iPhone should now be completely free from liquid glass, performing just as it did when it came out of the box. So, whether it was interfering with touch sensitivity or you just prefer the original screen feel, turning off liquid glass is quick, safe, and effective. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical iPhone tips and fixes. Have a good day.